things that gets me excited as a creator is finding new tools and resources on a budget to help make my content better. So I'm excited for this one because this one is probably the least expensive item that I've gotten for my content. And these are bulbs, but these are not just any kind of bulbs. So we're gonna get straight right into this. This one is the Lee Pro B1 AI Smart Bulb, and this is what it looks like. It's very basic, but I feel like if you're a creator and you're looking for creative ways to spice up your environment, your space, your bedroom, your living room, wherever it is, this is something you might want to consider investing in. I'm quickly going to open this up. So let's quickly unbox this. These are just like standard bulbs. So yeah, this is what the bulb looks like, your standard bulb, your screw-on standard bulb. So if you are a beginner, this is gonna be easy to install. I'm gonna quickly switch this out with the ones that I have installed behind me and then kind of play with it. It does come with an app. I'm gonna install the app, I'm gonna set it up, and then I'm gonna replace it with this one. Oh, wow. Look at that. I love that. Yay, I'm so excited. I just connected the bulbs and I want to download the app right now. So let's do that. Amazing. So we're going to quickly install this app. Okay, we have it installed. Now let's open it up and set it up. Agree. Okay, we're going to add the devices. Let's use my location. Nearby devices turn on. And it could also detect that there are 3 devices, which are like the 3 bulbs, which is so cool. It's the Lee Pro B1, so let me add them. You can name each bulb, right? I'm gonna skip the spots. Even continue, you can always change the name. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi. So the 3 devices have been connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so it says it's not compatible with a dimming switch, which is fine because I'm going to be using my phone either ways, but that's something to take note of. And now we have all the 3 bulbs installed. Or I can turn on and turn off all the bulbs from here. Oh my God, that's so cool. I can turn it on and turn it off. You can use the AI features and also the text features to give you like a prompt or to instruct it on what to do, to change the colors, reduce the intensity. Over here we have the light hues. We can change or reduce the brightness as well. I'm not sure what light this is. Let me use this lamp. I feel like this lamp is going to be the brightest. Let me use this lamp to play around with it, right? We could go over here, change it from yellow, which is very warm, to white, as you're seeing right now. That's so cool. We can change it to pink right here, move it to maybe yellow or green, like so. Change it to the shade of green that you want. Take it to blue, purple, pink, and let's take it to red. Yeah, so you can change the opacity as well if you want it to, if you want to dim it, just scroll down a little bit, turn it off. Let's take it to 50%. This is what it looks like at 50%. Let me take it back up. And that's what it looks like as well. I feel like my lighting in my office, I do have a lot of lights, so it's kind of affecting the intensity. Let me turn off some of my lights actually. You can create some effects with these bulbs as well, as you're seeing. So if you're having a party or if you just want this look in your videos, this could be an option if you wanted to transition from different colors to show off your playful side or just to make something interesting. This is it. You can kind of reduce the intensity, the sensitivity, the brightness as well. I mean, you can really customize this. You can also add your own effects. And you can do that based on voice and photo. I'm gonna play with this. So I'm gonna set all my lights the same color, which is gonna be pink. So something I think you can actually also do is to group everything together. Let me say K Studio. So that way we have the same setting for all the lights. Yes, all the bulbs. Yeah. So with this, I can turn on. I feel like this light is not showing off its true self. Yeah, it should be on the wall so that way. So yeah, with this now I have all the lights grouped. It's easier for me to control as opposed to going to each bulb individually. Now I can easily just turn on everything, turn off everything, and turn on everything. And because it's a group, I can change this from pink altogether to white. Change it again back to something warm. Or even play around with the colors as well. Yeah, so you can connect this to your Alexa, Amazon Alexa, or your Google Assistant, and that way it will help with like voice prompts, optimization, automation. And it's so amazing because I literally got this for like $20 or $30 or thereabout, but I find that these are going to be a staple, and they are effective and they look good. I like what it looks like. It adds something to the room. Usually what I would do if I wanted to create something like this is that I would use LED RGB lights. These are the two that I have currently. There are bigger ones that give or emit a lot more in terms of the intensity, but these are the ones that I use. Let me show you guys. This one is from Ulanzi. It's the VL 120 RGB lights. I use this basically for vlogging when I'm outdoors. It's compact, but then it's also very versatile. I highly recommend this one if you want something that you can travel with, film in your bathroom. Has a lot of lights, guys. This is what it looks like when I diffuse it with this heavy diffuser. Let me take it off. This light, this is what we're talking about. This is how compact it is and flat. This is how flat it is. Right, this is how flat it is, but it's so compact and it gives off a lot of light. So if you're vlogging, typically you're within this arm's length distance. It's going to illuminate you so well, so bright at night. And what I love about this is it has the RGB function, as you can see over here. I'm going to switch it over to the RGB setting, and now we have this RGB light coming through, pretty much similar to what we have going on in the back. And again, you can use this for like your videos. If you want to create that beautiful effect, you have that option over here. Or if you want to stand out a little bit more or add a little bit of contrast, you can see that. So yeah, this is typically what I would use, and what I would do is I would just put this behind me. Similar thing. They all have the same level of intensity. Same thing with this one. Let me go back to the pink. This is what the pink looks like. Again, same thing here. We can kind of see that gradient going on, right? So yeah, if you're just looking for something to illuminate the background, to add a bit of drama to it. Remember, I have one more bulb left. These are just 3 bulbs. This could definitely be something to look into. However, if you want something more than that, that will give you versatility when it comes to creating, this is the one that I will recommend. This is Ulanzi VL 120 RGB lights. I've been saying RGB lights. This is so compact. Look at how slim this is. My phone, same depth. It is smaller than my phone, but then yeah, this is one I recommend if you want this option, but then this versatility. But if you just want something to add on to your background and you feel like you don't want to overwhelm or overspend, then definitely consider investing in smart light bulbs. You cannot go wrong with this. These are budget friendly, but they are also versatile in the sense that you not only can you use this in your filming space, you can use this in your living room, your bedroom, if you want to create a scene. Yeah. But yeah, that's my take on that. Definitely, I find that it's not a bad buy because I already have lamps. That I use. So switching up the bulbs isn't really adding on to my space. It's not adding on in terms of the amount of equipment I need to buy or add on. Because the lamps are already existing, I just have to change the bulb. So it keeps my space lean, but it also adds a little bit of drama, versatility. I can also change this like different colors. I love this right now. But yeah, if I felt like I wanted a cleaner look, all I would have to do is to go back to the setting, to my group setting, because I've grouped this, and change it from pink to yellow to warm, and now we have this. And if I'm being really honest, I think I actually prefer this because it adds a bit of warmth to my space. and it makes it look welcoming. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. But as a creative who loves finding gems when it comes to creating content and elevating the content and finding budget-friendly options for creators to feel creative, this is amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't go anywhere without subscribing. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed and make sure you stay creating amazing content. Bye.